Jen breakups. He feels betrayed, he feels heartbroken. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manya, and those who don't know, I read a lot of books. So I've recently finished reading a book. It's called Good Material by Dahlia Alderton, and this video is going to be about this book. So the book is about two people, Jen and Andy. Jen breakups breaks up with Andy, and Andy is left to cope with the breakup because he clearly didn't want that relationship to end. So पूरी book में most of the part में Andy दिखाया गया है कि how he is coping with the breakup, the thought process of after a breakup, and how a person grieves a life that he or she once lived with a person who which doesn't exist anymore once the breakup happens. एंड इस बुक की सबसे ब्यूटीफुल बात यह है कि शुरू किया गया है इस चीज़ से कि एंडी हाउ एंडी इज फीलिंग, उसको कैसा लग रहा है, उसको जेन ने क्यों छोड़ दिया, ही फील्स बिट्रेड, ही फील्स हार्ट ब्रोकन, एंड वॉट ऑल इज गोइंग ऑन इन हिज हेड. एंड जो मेन प्रिमाइस तो ये है, उसके आसपास की बातें जो हैं वो ये हैं कि हाउ एंडी is struggling in his career. He's a comedian, and Jen was a successful lawyer, and how his comedy career isn't taking off the way he would have liked it to, and what his peers are doing. Like he's 35 years old, and he's 35 years old, और उसके जितने दोस्त हैं मोस्टली लोगों की शादी हो चुकी है, बच्चे हैं, कुछ लोगों की शादी होने वाली है. तो हाउ ही फील्स आफ्टर अ ब्रेकअप एट दैट एज, बिकॉज टिल देन ही हैड हिज गर्लफ्रेंड, सो ही स्टिल वाज कमिटेड. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, आप जब 35 इयर्स के हो और आपका ब्रेकअप हो जाता है एंड आपके सब फ्रेंड्स बिजी हैं, एंड यूजुअली आफ्टर ब्रेकअप्स फ्रेंड्स गेट टुगेदर एंड हेल्प अ पर्सन कोप जिसका ब्रेकअप हुआ है. बट इन एंडीज के सब तो बिजी है ना, क्योंकि बिकॉज दे आर 35, दे आर नॉट 25 एनी मोर. तो हाउ ऑल ऑफ दैट पैन्स आउट. सो इट्स अबाउट कि वो अपनी फ्रेंडशिप्स को देखता है, हाउ दे हैव चेंज्ड, एंड द काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट जो वो चाहता है. लाइक पीपल आर गेटिंग इरिटेटेड बिकॉज ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज गर्लफ्रेंड ऑल द टाइम, as if they wouldn't have done that had they broken up with a girlfriend, but they have moved on, they have wives now, so nobody has time for that shit. And so what I really liked about the book was that Andy is a guy who feels and is not afraid of showing his emotions. He wants to be in love, he wants to be in a relationship, he is proud to be monogamous, and he is proud to be wanting someone. Like he likes committed relationships, and जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है आजकल की मॉडर्न डे डेटिंग में, दैट्स वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग टू रीड कि एक कैरेक्टर है जो लड़का है जो ये सब चाहता है. यूजुअली लड़कियां ये सब चाहते हैं और लड़के पता नहीं क्या ही चाहते हैं. तो दैट्स एंडीज कैरेक्टर. सो बेसिकली द ऑथर हैज शोड अस दैट लड़का तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लड़का है एंड ही डजंट सी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट देयर आर टू सी. यूजुअली क्या होता है कि मतलब इन पॉप कल्चर एंड स्पेशली इन हिंदी सिनेमा हमने ये देखा है कि व्हेन अ मैन लाइक्स अ वुमन एंड शी डजंट रेसिप्रोकेट, कहीं ना कहीं, एंड इफ द मैन इज अ गुड मैन, तो कहीं ना कहीं एक सिंपैथी जाती है टुवर्ड्स द मैन कि ओके, व्हाई इज शी नॉट सेइंग यस, ही इज सच अ गुड गाय. बट is that enough? Just because someone is a good guy, a great guy, the girl is supposed to say yes, or the girl is supposed to be interested in him? जरूरी नहीं है, बिकॉज बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो एक रिलेशनशिप बनाती हैं, एंड अ मैन लाइकिंग अ वुमन इज नॉट इनफ. अरे इसमें एग्जाम्पल आता है स्नेप एंड लिली पॉटर का भी, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सिंपथाइज एंड एम्पथाइज विद स्नेप अ लॉट कि you know he loved her so much, he protected his child Harry, her child Harry, for the longest time, blah blah blah. And that's all good. Yes, his love was real, but was he the right fit for Lily? Wasn't he toxic? Wasn't something wrong with him, like his choices were wrong, etc.? So just because someone loves you, and that's not enough. Love is not enough. There is so much more going on in any relationship. So we get to see that in this book. And this book basically, अगर मैं short में एक sentence में बोलूँ तो it talks about modern dating. It talks about how men feel so devastated after the breakup, but they don't really try to understand the point कि क्यों हुआ होगा, because everything was going fine. It was going fine according to them. Because a lot of times women don't say much until it's time to leave. They realize, okay, they can't change a person, but they can just probably choose themselves towards the end. So this is what I liked. And another thing that's very commendable about this book is that, as I mentioned, एंडी इज अ कॉमेडियन. सो बहुत ही फनी फनी मोमेंट्स हैं इस बुक में विच शो कि एंडी एक्चुअली में फनी है और उसकी लाइफ में फनी चीजें भी हो रही हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट अ होल फन शो. बट एंडी एक सक्सेसफुल कॉमेडियन नहीं है, एंड दैट्स द पॉइंट again the author makes, that to be able to be successful an artist has to be vulnerable. They have to share their side of the story, and throughout the story, even though it's about the breakup, everything is about the breakup, बीच बीच में पॉइंट्स आते हैं जहाँ पे एंडी इज बीइंग नज्ड टू sharing something personal, something about his life, and Andy is resisting that, and maybe that's the reason he's not as successful, and though he has full potential, etc. So that's pretty cool. And Jen's side of the story was again pretty interesting to read, because as a reader who was just reading Andy's side of the story, लग रहा था कि क्या ही हो रहा है, मतलब yes breakups में ऐसा ही होता है, लोग like after the breakup people feel like this, the way Andy was feeling, etc, etc. But when Jen's side hits, like I realized कि okay, wow, I am a girl, so yeah. So even though the book is positioned as कि हाँ ये Andy's side of the story है and it is a male point of view of a breakup, it's actually about women, how women, like what are the reasons a woman breaks up over, and the reasons that even though are very obvious, are very invisible to men sometimes, and that's what they probably need to learn. It's also about how women have it much more difficult than men, especially in the dating realm, because men have too many options till like 40, because they can always marry someone 10 years younger. And that's something that Dolly Alderton talks about in her other book, Ghosts, as well. How dating for women in late 20s or early 30s is way more stressful than it is for men, and way more frustrating, obviously, because more women usually, I'm not generalizing, but more women are looking for something serious, and not all men probably are, because they don't have that kind of pressure, that societal pressure of having a biological clock, etc. So, and they can't. But I mean, they can do anything at this juncture in this world, but they can't marry someone 10 years younger, like, right? But men always have that option. So that's also explored, I would say. And there are some quotes, like some scenes that really stayed with me, and they will stay with me for a long time. So there's this time that Andy comes home and his landlord just stops him, and heart touching moment, because the way landlord starts is that if I had a son and if he asked me for about any advice about personal matters or relationships, so what I would say to him was that life is a bit more difficult for women, more difficult than it is for us, I mean, and you don't need to ask them to explain why or understand it all, you just need to be nice to them. And like gems like these, like this book had that. Plus, so another thing that Andy says is that talking about the sadness might be the same thing as processing the sadness. And if we are not doing that, then we only have our thoughts for company. And our thoughts are unreliable, and they invent things and they lie to us and give bad advice. Not talking about the sadness, it what leads to the madness. So the madness is the time after a breakup where a person is totally obsessing over their ex, and that's probably because they're not talking about the sadness and their friends are not supportive enough. So that's also explored in this book. So this book is multi-layered, multifaceted, funny, serious, and everything in between. And किसको पढ़नी चाहिए ये बुक? सो दिस बुक वैसे तो कोई भी पढ़ सकता है, इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टोरी, इट्स गुड फॉर ऑल, एंड इवन टीनेजर्स कैन रीड इट, देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट देयर एज मच. ये बुक उन लोगों को पढ़नी चाहिए जो लेट 20s में है, mostly, because I think they'll relate to it way, in a way more different way than maybe people in early 20s will. But for them it will give them perspective on what could come which may not be very expected. So, yeah, people in late 20s, women who are in their late 20s or early 30s and are struggling with dating, with finding love, especially independent women, women who have always had it together, and men who want to understand women and who maybe want to look beyond what they feel, and maybe want to look at how a woman feels and what kind of pressures she deals with, and the things she won't even talk about, but they exist because she wants those things to be understood by men, which and they don't want to like say it out loud, and maybe that's where all the problem happens. So Good Material by Dolly Alderton, I think this is going down as one of my favorite books. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. I'll keep talking about books.